Namaste, Suswagatam. Welcome to the 15th session of Simply Sanatana. Today's topic is happiness. 3 kinds. The Bhagavad Gita declares Ashantasya Kutah Sukham, meaning how can the peaceless enjoy happiness? Where from his happiness for a man devoid of peace? Peace and happiness are intertwined. That means, in order to be happy, one has to have peace within. The turbulent and agitative mind, tormented by the senses for their appeasement by the corresponding sense objects, needs to be, at the outset, stabilized. Through proper meditative process and proper understanding about the transitory nature of the pleasure enjoyed through sense organs, the mind can be trained, tamed and nurtured to remain firm and composed. A man of steadfast wisdom is a sthita prajna, as described by Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita. Krishna says, Dukkheshva nudvigna manaha sukheshu vigatasprihaha vita raga bhaya krodha sthita dhir muniruchyate. Meaning, he whose mind is not disturbed by adversity and who in times of prosperity does not pine for pleasures, who is free from attachment, fear and anger, is called a sage of steady wisdom. The action of every person is towards seeking happiness, to find completion in his mind. The type of happiness that each person aims to gain depends upon his nature, sattvic, composed, or rajasic, passionate, or tamasic, dull. The Bhagavad Gita specifies 3 kinds of happiness. The first one is sattvic happiness. It says, Yattadagre vishamiva pariname mritopabam tat sukham sattvikam proktam atma buddhi prasadajam. Meaning, that which is like poison, vishamiva, in the beginning, agre, but resulting, pariname, like nectar, amrutopamam, that happiness, tat sukham, is called sattvic, pure, sattvikam proktam, born of the purity of one's own awakened mind, atma buddhi prasadajam. A self-disciplined and contemplative texture of mind tends to meet with the fine joy, a sense of fulfillment leading to peace and tranquility. Training the mind, abhyasa, of course, is hard like poison in the beginning, but gives lasting peace later. The second type of happiness is rajasic. Rajasic happiness is endowed with passion. It says, Vishayendriya samyogadhyartadagre mritopamam pariname vishamiva tat sukham rajasam smritam. Meaning, that happiness, tat sukham, caused by the contact of the sense organs with the sense objects. Vishayendriya samyogat, that is like nectar, amrita upamam, in the beginning, agre, but like poison, vishamiva, at the end, is called rajasic, rajasam smritam. There is instant excitement at the meeting of the sense organs with the sense objects. Sometimes it leads to ecstatic level, that is like nectar in the beginning, but sadly it disappears quickly being of transitory nature. At the vanishing of such pleasure, the experiencer feels bitter like poison later. The third one is tamasic happiness, wholly dull. The Bhagavad Gita says, Yadagre chanubandhe cha sukham mohanamaatmanaha nidralasya pramadotham tattamasamudakritam. Meaning, that happiness sukham, which in the beginning agre and consequently anubandhe deludes the self, mohanam atmanaha, arising from sleep, nidra, laziness, alasya, and procrastination, pramada, is called tamasic, dull. Due to the traits, indifference, dullness, sleepfulness, always, etc., he does not heed to the call of the inner self within him. He only looks for sense appeasement always. The happiness of this category, that is tamasic, causes confusion and delusion of the mind both in the beginning as well as at the end. Let us become aware of what type of happiness are we looking for. Let us strive for sattvic happiness, that is long lasting. Dhanyavada.